Hi, my name is Dia and I'm part of the Gaelhawks. As part of the Shelton High School robotics team, we use science, technology, engineering, and math on a daily basis to help us build robots. Today, I want to talk to you about boats. Some science concepts that are considered when making boats are water density, buoyancy, and displacement. To understand what water density is, first we need to talk about density. Density is the amount of space an object takes up compared to the amount it weighs. 1 cup of marbles and 1 cup of water take up the same amount of space, but 1 cup of marbles weighs more than 1 cup of water, so marbles have a greater density than water. Now that we know what density is, we can talk about water density. Water density is 1 gram per milliliter. For every milliliter of water, water weighs 1 gram. If an object has a density bigger than the water density, it will sink. But if it has a density that is less than the water density, it will float. But if you want your boat to float, even though it has a density greater than water density, you can use buoyancy. Buoyancy is what keeps things floating even in water. And it is based on the shape. So if you test out different shapes with your boat, then it will float or sink. The last word is displacement. Do you remember the last time you got into the bathtub and the water level went up? That is displacement. When you got into the bathtub, the water got out of your way to make space for you, so you displaced the water. Now, using STEM, can you build a boat? For kids in grades kindergarten to 2nd grade, the challenge is to make a boat out of a 12 by 9 piece of tinfoil that can carry 3 pennies. If you can do that, try adding more pennies to see how many you can get. For kids in grades 3 to 4, the challenge is to make a boat out of a 12 by 9 piece of tinfoil that can hold as many coins as possible. You can change the tinfoil in any way you want, such as tearing, folding, or cutting. You can use printer paper too, but remember that paper will get soggy in water. We want to see your progress throughout this entire challenge. Keep us updated by posting to Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, and then tag us using #GaelhawksSTEM Challenge. Get ready to STEM it up!